I bought some new shoes and the tongue fell off instantly. Not expensive enough to return to the store. So it's easier, cheaper and quicker to fix it myself. No fancy stuff. No one will ever look close enough. Nagelfar, as we say in Swedish. It's looking at something too closely. It's an old Viking expression. In the Norse mythology, Nagelfar is a ship built from the fingernails of the dead. During Ragnarök, the apocalypse, this ship will transport the Jotuns to the final battle. Therefore, the Vikings were extra thorough clipping their fingernails before battle to delay the building of the ship Nagelfar. There you go. Easy, cheap and quick.